This is what I've learned. Be kind. Think of others before yourself. Humanity relies on the collective spirit. It's easier to love than to hate. Anger doesn't solve anything, but it can destroy everything. The most important thing in life is happiness. Fast cars, fast food, and fast fashion may bring you brief pleasure, but slow things will bring you a lifetime of happiness. Do less and be more. If you're always racing to the next thing, then what happens to the present? We're more likely to regret the opportunities we didn't take. Rain may be miserable, but after the rain comes sunshine. Try to forget the mistakes and remember the lessons we learned from them. If you want nothing, you have everything. Don't get confused by consumerism. Do you need it or do you want it? Positivity is partly a state of the mind. It's always there, it's just that some days you'll need to look a little harder. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Impossible is not a fact, it's just somebody's opinion.